Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. In last class, special cases, how many completed? 5 completed.
Yes, sir. 5
Yes,
complete. Touching both the axes.
Okay, okay. Both the axes completed.
sir.
Okay. Next, when the circle passes through the origin, when the circle passes through the origin,
Sir, we did that right. Case 2 that was.
case 2.
Yes, sir. Case 2 when circle passes through origin.
No. This one is, see, continue. Listen. When the circle passes through the origin, when the circle passes through the origin and center lies on x-axis, and center lies on x-axis, center lies on x-axis, center lies on x-axis. In this case, center h comma k, h is equal to a and k is equal to 0. The equation of the circle, the equation of circle, x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to a square. X square x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. X square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to a square. Now x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. When the circle passes through the origin and the center lies on x-axis. Next, seventh case.
Sir, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Don't wrap.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So this is
Mona
the first
Lisa.
thing you're doing, right? Yes, sir.
Tell.
So this is the first thing you are doing, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So already last class 5 cases completed. Total 7 cases, special cases. Already last class 5 completed. This is sixth case.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
When the circle passes through the origin and the center lies on x-axis. Note down sixth case. When the circle passes through the origin and the center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis. Next, seventh case.
So that is x minus a whole square, no?
X minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to a square. A square get cancelled, and remaining x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. A, not 9, A. Seventh case,
Sir,
Nagbhushan.
so can we say that C, we know C no sir in the general equation,
Hmm.
C is the distance from x-axis.
Yes. Seventh, when the circle passes through the origin and the center lies on y-axis. Center lies on y-axis. When the circle passes through, seventh, when the circle passes through,
So case 6 was what? When circle?
sixth, when the circle passes through the origin and the center lies on x-axis. Sixth one. Seventh one, center lies on y-axis.
Here it is same thing. Center lies on y-axis.
Center lies on y-axis. C 0 comma A.
Sir, can you repeat the seventh case?
Seventh one, when the circle passes through the origin and the center lies on y-axis.
So, so the y-axis acts as a diameter of the circle here.
Yeah, yes. See center 0 comma A, then substituting here 0, here A. Then x square plus y square plus a square minus 2ay is equal to a square. X square plus y square minus 2ay is equal to 0.
So it's y minus a written, right?
Y minus a. Y minus a whole square.
Sir, I don't know.
Done, na?
No, sir, no, sir.
Okay, problems. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle of radius 5 units. 5. Okay, sorry, 5. Radius 5, where whose center lies on whose center lies on x-axis, whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point and passes through the point 2, 3. Find the equation of the circle of radius 5 whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2, 3.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, won't there be two circles?
2. Nagabhushan,
Sir, there's a possibility for two circles to exist like this, no, sir?
this one
Yes, sir.
in negative side.
Yeah, no, sir. Like, sir, point P and C can make an angle theta with the x-axis, no, sir. We
X-axis.
know that there are two possibilities of thetas, no, sir.
Yes.
So there will be two circles.
2 circles. How?
Yes, sir. Sir, that too, the both circles may intersect. Sir, they will intersect, sir. Sir, consider P point to be little shifted downwards, sir.
Downwards.
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. Sir, sir, let it be with an angle, unknown angle, acute angle.
Okay.
That time there will be two circles, no, sir.
See, problem what is given? Equation of the circle, radius 5 and center lies on x-axis. Origin and center lies on x-axis. What is that?
So,
Aryan.
so you'll get two values for x. I think that's what he's trying to say.
Two?
You'll get two values for x. The
Two values. Two values, one value, tell me. Two circles.
so you'll get one value of x as 6 and another as -2.
Yes, correct.
So that means we'll get two different equations.
Two different equations. Required circles, two circles. First circle, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square, right? And the second circle,
Yeah.
x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square.
So I want to get x plus 2 whole square.
X plus 2 whole square.
Okay, sir.
X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. And one more circle, x minus 6 whole square plus y
Sir,
minus
x
0 whole
minus
square
2
is
no, sir.
Nagbhushan? X minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Cp is equal to radius. Radius is given. Cp is equal to 5. Distance find.
So could you please explain this one?
Explain, huh?
Yes, sir.
Cp is equal to radius. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Center C lies on x-axis. Point is a comma 0. Point is a comma 0. Circle passes through 2 comma 3. Circle passes through 2 comma 3. Cp is equal to radius. Cp is equal to 5. Now Cp distance under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 5. Then x2, x1
Yes, sir.
y1, x2 y2. Now under root a minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to 5. Under root a square plus 4 minus 4, 4a plus 9 is equal to 5. Squaring on both the sides. 4, 13. 13 a square minus 4a plus 13 is equal to 25. A square minus 4a minus 4a minus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
After that,
Sir, a is equal to 6 or a is equal to -2
a is equal to 6
or a is equal to -2.
minus 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then coordinates of the center. Then the coordinates of the center. Center 6 comma 0 and -2 comma 0. Sorry, R. Now, equation of required circles. The equation of required circles. Required circle, first circle, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square and radius 5 square. And second circle, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 25. First circle x square plus y square minus 12x is equal to plus 11, correct? X square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 is equal to 0. And second circle x square plus y square plus 4x, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0, correct?
Excuse me, sir.
Aryan,
I think you have to let someone in.
huh?
I think you have to let someone in.
No. Completed.
So what have you written over there?
Here,
X mine on top. Yeah.
the equation of required circles x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. 1 center and one more center minus 2 comma 0. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. Two equations, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, next problem. Find the equation of the circle whose center is, find the equation of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and passing through the intersection of the lines and passing through the intersection of lines of the lines 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, sorry, 3x minus y is equal to 1 and 4x plus y is equal to 27. Find the equation of the circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and passing through the intersection of the lines 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y, sorry, 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and 4x plus y is equal to 27.
Sir, so the point is nothing but the solution, no, sir?
This is the diagram. And this line 4x plus y is equal to 27 and this line 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and this point is P. P find. This is center 2 comma minus 3. This is A, B, C, D. P point, how to find P point? Two lines intersecting point. Solving equation 1 and 2. 3x minus 2y is equal to 1. 4x plus y is equal to 27. X comma y find. Solving equation 1 and 2. X is equal to?
Sir, 5.
X is equal to 5. And y?
7.
Y is 7. Correct. 7. Now here 5 comma 7. Then CP is equal to radius. CP is equal to radius. CP find CP. Radius is equal to?
Sir, square root of 109.
Square root of 109. Now direct substituting equation of required circle. The equation of required circle x minus 2 whole square plus y minus y plus 3 whole square is equal to root 109 whole square.
Sir, could you repeat after finding x and y?
X and y. CP is equal to radius. Radius is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. These two. x1, y1, x2, y2.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So isn't it root 109?
Root 109. Root 109. The equation of required circle. The
How
equation.
you got radius? 109. Okay, got it.
Ananya?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Okay. The equation of required circle x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to under root 109 whole square. Mona Lisa.
Could you please wait after the diagram part? So,
Mona Lisa,
yes, sir.
tell me.
So, could you please do the part of the diagram?
The problem?
Yes, sir. Could you repeat the step you had told after the diagram?
See, first find CP is equal to radius. Distance find CP.
Yes, sir. After that, sir.
See, intersecting of lines 3x minus 2y is equal to 1, 4x plus y is equal to 27. Solving equation 1 and 2. Then we will get x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. Okay, solving 1 and 2. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. Then CP is equal to radius. Radius is equal to under root 109.
Okay, sir.
The equation of the required circle, x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to square root 109 whole square.
Thank you, sir.
Final equation, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y
Minus 94.
Minus
minus
96.
96.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 96 is equal to 0. Next problem. Find the equation of the equation of the image of the circle. Image of the circle x square plus y square plus 8x minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 0. In the line x is equal to 0. In the line mirror x is equal to 0.
So doesn't it just become minus 8x?
Minus x square plus y square plus 8x.
No, sir, like to find the mirror, like along x equals 0 is y-axis, so we just have to change the x.
Yes.
So it'll become minus 8x, right?
Minus 8x.
X squared plus y squared minus 8x minus 16y.
Yes, correct.
Sir? Sir, x will become minus x, no, sir?
Yes, correct.
Sir, if y is the mirror, then y will become minus y, no, sir?
Yes, correct. Important problem. Important. Center. Center C1. X plus 4 whole square. Y minus 8 whole square. Correct? Correct? Nagabhushan? X minus of minus plus x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 4 square, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
C1 point minus 4 comma 8, right? Minus 4 comma 8 and C2 point 4 comma 8.
Sir.
Correct? Y axis. Image of the center minus 4 comma 8 in y axis is C2 4 comma 8. Radius is equal to 4. Then equation of image is
So the board is completely clear. Okay, now it's fine.
Okay. X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 4 square. 4 square, 4. 4. Square. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 64.
Sir.
This is the final equation.
Sir, how to do if they have given like 2x plus y is equal to 0 like that? Sir, then how to do when mirror is given like that?
Mirror?
Sir, if mirror is given as another line, this line represents y-axis, no sir?
Oh, y-axis.
Yes, sir. But what if they give another line then?
Another line.
Yes, sir. Like it should be like 5x plus 7y is equal to 4 like that.
Okay, the further problems is there. I will explain. Concentric circles.
Can you explain again?
Hello? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Can you explain again?
See, given equation, given circle, x square plus y square plus 8x minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 0. Right?
Yes.
Center find. Center, how to find center? X square?
Yeah.
That I understood.
This one understood?
Yeah.
See, center C1 minus 4 comma 8, y-axis is plus 4 comma 8. Understood, Ananya?
Okay.
Image of the center minus 4 comma 8 in y-axis is 4 comma 8.
Okay, okay, got it, got it, got it.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then equation of image x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 4 square. Then x square plus y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 0. Next, concentric circles. Concentric circles. Concentric circles. Important. Tell me, Nagbhushan, concentric circles.
Sir, G and F are same.
Ah,
Yes, sir, G and F are same, but C is not same.
huh?
Sir, same center.
Ah. Center?
Sir, in general equation, G and H are same, but C is not same.
Yes, correct. See, concentric circles, two or more circles are said to be concentric circles if they have same center and different radius. Same center and different radii is called concentric circles. Center of the circle C, let us say C, and radius CP and CQ. CP and CQ, CP is equal to R1 take and CQ is equal to R2. Two circles, they have same center but different radii. These circles are called concentric circles. See, equation of two concentric circles are differ by a constant. Differ by a constant only. Constant only. The equation of the circle concentric with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k is equal to 0, where k is constant. Where k is constant.
Sir, the ink is very light.
Ink is very light, huh?
Sir, could you write the equation a little bit bigger?
Okay. Equation of two concentric circles are differ by a constant only. The equation of the circle concentric with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k is equal to 0. Definition note down. Concentric circles means two or more circles are said to be concentric circles means two or more circles are said to be concentric if they have same center and different radii.
Sir, could you say the second equation?
Second equation.
Can you repeat the first equation also?
X square plus y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k is equal to 0.
Sir, shouldn't it be c plus k?
C plus c is equal to 0 is
And-
of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k is equal to 0.
Sir, you have written that the equation of two concentric circles are differed by a constant.
Constant
So-
only.
Okay, sir. So there you didn't write k.
K is equal to constant.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, here k is not equal to c, no, sir.
K is yes, correct. Next problem. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the center center of the circle x square plus y square x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0, and is concentric with the circle, concentric with the circle. 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 12y minus 9 minus 12y minus 9 is equal to 0. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the center of the circle. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0, and is concentric with the circle 2x square plus y square 2y square minus 8x minus 12y minus 9 is equal to 0. Equation of the circle, first circle, given circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 7 is equal to 0, equation 1. Center, first circle center, x square x plus 4 whole square y plus 5. Center x plus 4 whole square y plus 5 whole square. Is equal to 48. And the center minus 4 comma minus 5. Minus 4 comma minus 5. Second equation, 2x square plus 2y square minus 8x minus 12y minus 9 is equal to 0.
Sir?
Hmm.
Sir, so the first center will be lying on the circle.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Second circle center First circle correct, Nagbhushan? X plus 4 whole square, y plus 5
Sir,
whole
I
square
did
is
use
equal to...
this method, sir. I
Ah.
did using G and F.
Okay. X square y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. Center x, both the sides for adding.
Sir, it'll be 2 comma 3, sir.
2 comma 3, yeah? X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 30 35 by 2, na? 35 by 2. Now this center is 3 comma 2 comma 3. Now radius find, radius AB. Radius find, AB is equal to R. Radius is equal to distance. Under root 2 plus 4 whole square plus 3 plus 5 whole square. R is equal to under root 36 plus 64 is equal to 70, 100. R is equal to 10. R is equal to 10. The equation of required circle. The equation of required circle. Equation of required circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. The equation of required circle. X minus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to 10 square. Then final equation, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 6y
Minus 87.
minus 87 is equal to 0. Yes, Ashmi. Completed. Ananya, complete Ananya. Bargo, complete Bargo.
Yes, sir.
Risha,
Yes, sir.
Santosh. Santosh,
Yes, sir.
today is first class. Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
completed. Anirudh, Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, completed.
So some of it is left.
Next problem. Find the equation of the circle concentric with the find the equation of the circle concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 and passing through the point and passing through the point. Passing through the point 5, 4. Passing through the point 5, 4. Center find. Center.
Sir, -2 comma -3.
-2 comma -3. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 11 or x.
Sir, don't do that method, sir. Sir, you taught us that 4 is equal to -2h, no, sir?
Yes, -2h.
Yes, sir. So we can find h.
H. Yes, correct only. Okay. And radius, find radius. Cp is equal to radius. Radius is equal to
Sir, radius is equal to square root of 98.
square root of 98.
7 root 2.
98, 7 root 2, correct. R is equal to 7 root 2. Center -2 comma -3. Then equation of required circle. The equation required circle is x plus 2 whole square, y plus 3, x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 7 root 2 whole square. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 80, 85. This problem alternate method, tell me, alternate method. Alternate method. Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Oh, alternate method. X square plus 4x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Then concentric circle. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. Then
Yes,
k
sir,
find.
but sir, we can find k also. Yes, sir. That's also a method.
Yes. That is one more method. Passing through the point in circle. Second equation. 5 comma 4. 5 comma 4 substituting. Then k is equal to minus 85. Next problem. Find the equation of the circle concentric with the circle. Find the equation of the circle concentric with the circle with the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 is equal to 0, and having its area equal to 16 pi. Area equal to 16 pi. Area is equal to 16 pi. Area is equal to 16 pi. Important. Equation of the circle concentric with the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 is equal to 0, and having its area of circle A is equal to pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 16 pi. Then we will get r radius. R is equal to 4, right? R is equal to 4. Center find. Area of circle A is equal to pi r square, and area is equal to 16 pi. Then pi r square is equal to 16 pi. R is equal to 4. Then center given circle 2x square 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 is equal to 0. Center is equal to x square plus y square 4x plus 5y minus 39 by 2.
Done, sir.
Center minus 2 comma
Sir, minus 2 comma minus 5 by 2.
minus 5 by 2. Okay. Center minus 2 comma minus 5 by 2, radius is 4. Then required circle the equation of required circuit. X plus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 square.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, is the answer 4x square plus 4y square
hmm,
plus 16x plus 20y minus 39
minus 39. 4x square plus 4y square plus
plus 16x
plus 16x
plus 20y
plus 20y
minus 39.
minus 39, huh? Plus
Yes,
4
sir.
25 4 2 into 20 50. Minus 39, huh?
Yes, sir. I got minus 39.
Minus 39 wrong.
So check the answer.
Answer minus 23. Minus 23. Check it once. X square 4 4 5 16
Sorry, sir. I
9
did a mistake.
9. Huh?
Sorry, sir. I did mistake.
4x square plus 4y square plus 16x plus 20y minus 23 is equal to 0. Next problem. Determine whether the following equations determine whether the following equations represents a circle, a point circle and no circle. First one, x square plus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. Last problem. Second one,
So what's the question again?
Question number 7. Determine whether the following equations represents a circle, a point circle, or no circle. Second, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 10y plus 26 is equal to 0. Third one, x square plus y square minus 3x plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. A circle, a point circle, and no circle. Point circle means radius is equal to
1
Zero, sir.
centimeter.
Zero.
Zero.
Not 1. 0. A point circle is equal to radius is equal to 0. No circle. No circle means
Sir, x square, coefficients of x square and y square are 0.
less than 0.
Yes, sir, less than 0.
R is less than 0. A circle, R is greater than 0.
Sir,
That point I am not telling before. Okay. Oh, note point I forgot. That is important point. Next class I will tell. Already.
sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, I have a doubt. Sir, if radius, if coefficient of x square or coefficient of y square is negative, this means that there is no circle.
Imaginary circle.
Yes, sir, but there is no circle in real plane.
Yes. That point I forgot. Last time note one point is there. The next class I will teach. First circle, a circle, first circle.
Yes, sir, it is a circle.
Next second.
Sir, doing.
Okay, do.
So second one, no circle.
No circle, second one.
Yes, sir, no circle.
Okay. Third one.
Sir, third one also no circle.
Yes, correct. First one is a circle, second one is no circle, third one is also no circle. Okay. Time is over.
Sir?
Yes. Ananya? Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I missed a class, so I have a doubt on that. Can I ask that now?
Yes, tell me.
So, could you please revise how to get the radius from the equation?
This one?
Yes, sir, in general.
Radius, what is the formula radius?
How to get the equation of a circle.
See, x square plus y square plus x minus y is equal to 0. How to find radius?
No, sir, how to get the equation of a circle?
What is the equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Center minus g comma minus f. And radius is equal to? Radius is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. Center minus z comma minus f. Equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then radius is equal to 0, then a point circle.
So no circle is an imaginary circle.
Ah, yes, no circle, less than 0. R is less than 0.
R is less than 0.
Ah,
Okay,
yes.
and so how do we get?
See, that is note point I forgot. Next class I will explain. 3 points is there. G square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. G square plus f square minus c is greater than 0. G square plus f square minus c is equal to 0. And g square plus f square minus c is lesser than 0. Represents real circle and point circle and imaginary circle. This point I forgot in last class.
So, and G and F are the coefficients, right?
Ah, yes. Coefficient of x by 2 and the coefficient of y by 2. Minus z minus f.
Sir, can the others leave?
Ah, others leave. Others leave. Mona Lisa. Minus z.
Yes.
Minus z means what? Minus coefficient of x by 2 and minus f what? Minus of coefficient of y by 2.
Okay, sir.
And radius r is equal to under root g square plus f square minus c. If g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then s is equal to 0. Then s is equal to 0. S means equation. This is the equation. S is equal to 0 represents a real circle. Represents a real circle. Represents a real circle. And if g square plus f square minus c is equal to 0, then s is equal to 0 represents a point circle.
Point circle.
Represents a this point I forgot. This is note point. Note.
Okay, sir. So
then next, if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then s is equal to 0 represents imaginary circle.
Okay, sir. Sir, and we had done questions today, right? In which there was a required circle, equation of required circle and all that. So how do we get that from center and radius? Is by substituting the value of G and F.
Yes.
And how do we get
R
that
H
from
comma K? That is one. That is this is direct equation. Is equal to R square. H comma K is the center. This one also, so both are same. Anyone using?
Okay, sir. So, and for the questions we solved today, for example, the second last one over there,
second last one. Second last. Wait.
So find the
tell me. Find the equation of the concentric circles.
Yeah. So in that question, we got the value from the given equation of the center, and then what do we do, sir? And then we substitute the value of G and F from that.
Yes, G and F and radius. Then final answer.
So
Substituting equation.
So how do we get the center of the given circle?
See, distance find. Distance of CP is equal to radius, or distance of AB is equal to radius.
Okay, sir.
That is 2 points, no? 2 points distance.
Yes, sir.
Any side, this side or this side.
So we find the center by distance formula, and from that we get
under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 2 points distance. Then radius we get, no? Radius substituting, then no equation of circle. Already center you know, radius, then final
Okay, sir.
required equation.
And if center is given, we find radius by distance formula. If radius is given, we find center by distance formula.
Yes, correct, absolutely correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then
Sir, and
last
one
question
last
also,
thing.
last question also, see, last question,
Yes,
wait,
sir.
find the equation of the concentric circle is given, equation is given, circle is given, and having area is equal to 16 pi. Area is equal to 16 pi is given. Then area of circle pi r square is equal to 16 pi. Pi get cancel, r is equal to 4, no? R
Yes,
value substitute. Already center is given. Center 2x square plus 2y square plus 8x equation is given. Center find, then substituting equation. Then okay, indirectly is given small.
So, and one last thing. So when you had done concentric circles, I couldn't catch up the next question, like example question of it properly. So could you please summarize that?
Which question?
So find the equation of a circle and it's concentric to something. I couldn't even see the board back then.
Okay.
It
Two
was
circles is
2x
given.
square plus 2y square plus 8x plus 10y minus 1 is equal to
minus
0.
7 is equal to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
See, that is center of the circle. Center of the circle is given. See, center of the circle. This is center, no? Center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Correct?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the center of the circle. This center find. And this center. This center.
Have the same
This center find. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First circle center minus 4 comma minus 5. First circle center.
Sir, but
Second circle center.
same center, right?
Mona Lisa?
Sir, but isn't it concentric circles?
Concentric circle. This is concentric circle.
Okay, sir.
This circle is concentric circle.
Okay, sir.
See, clearly is given problem reading. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the center of the circle is given and concentric with the circle. Concentric with the circle. Second circle only is concentric circle.
Okay,
Center.
sir.
Center of the concentric circle. Understood, Mona Lisa? Important problem. Don't confusing. Important. Concentric circles is most important. Okay, that's why I think four problems I will explain. 4 or 5. 4,
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. Hold on.
Okay, sir.
Hello? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the most important concentric circle. First circle is given. First circle center, right? Second circle center. That center we have to substituting in final equation. Not this one. This one substituting. This is center, not this center. Okay? Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Substituting first center. This is not concentric circle. Find concentric circle center 2, 3. Suppose this 2, 3 and radius substitute. AB is equal to radius. AB is equal to radius. Radius is equal to find. Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Understood, Mona Lisa?
So I kind of got it, but just one doubt, sir. Concentric circles have the same center, right?
Center and different radii.
Yes, sir. So the center
Same center, but different radii.
Why do we have different points A and B?
A and B. Same
Why
center,
is it different,
but
sir?
different radii.
Yes, sir. So A and B should be 1 point, right?
1 point.
I didn't get that point properly, so I'm sorry for it.
Which one? This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
AB is equal to radius find. R is equal to.
So what are A and B here? Centers, right?
These A and B are centers.
Yes,
A
sir.
and B are centers. Distance find AB. X1, Y1, X2, Y2.
Okay, sir.
First circle is given. This circle center. This circle center concentric circle. Concentric circle. This one is. Center of the circle is given and concentric circle this one.
Okay, sir. So, but okay, they're coinciding, right?
Yes.
So, but concentric circle is same center, right? Like,
Center is same, but radius is different.
yes, sir, but over here A and B are different centers. Then how are they concentric?
These two are.
Yes, sir.
See,
That's
this
what I didn't
problem
get.
is different. That's why I'm telling. See, this center we have to substituting, not this one.
Okay, sir.
Not this one. See, problem reading, first problem reading.
So could you give me the question again? I missed some point there.
Find the equation of the circle which passes through the center of the circle. Which passes through the center of the circle. One more circle.
Yes,
That
sir.
circle is concentric circle.
Okay, sir.
That circle is concentric circle. That center is. That center. This is the center, not this one. Understood, Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir.
This is the center. 2, 3. 2, 3 and radius is 10. Radius R is equal to 10. 100 root 100 is equal to 10. R is equal to 10. Then substituting the required circle. The equation of required circle, x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 square. That is the required answer, required equation. Understood? Definition you see. Definition I will explain. No. Definition, concentric circle definition. Then next, Mona Lisa.
So could you also give the final equation of concentric circle? I just want to cross check if I wrote it right.
Formula or the
formula, sir?
Formula. The concentric
Yes, sir.
circle first x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is two concentric circle is differ by the constant only. The two circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k is equal to 0. Plus k is equal to 0 where k is constant.
It's like instead of parallel lines, just similar to that.
Example
right?
problem. This problem, see. The equation of the circle concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 and passing through the point 5, 4. Last before problem. Last before one.
Yes, sir.
That problem, see.
Yes, sir. I got that, sir.
This point is given 5, 4. Correct? Center, we have to find center. Then distance find. CP. CP is equal to R. Or otherwise direct formula apply. Otherwise direct formula means what is that equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Plus c is equal to 0 means what? X square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. And constant, concentric circle constant x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. That circle is passes through 5, 4. That is one more method. That is shortcut method.
So what's the shortcut method? Instead of
listen.
I am sorry for it, sir.
Okay, no problem, no problem. See, given circle, suppose given circle, that problem only I will explain. For x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. What is that formula statement? Two concentric circles differ by the constant, no? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is in the form of x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. Plus k is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This equation 2, passing, circle is passing through point 5 comma 4 is given. Since equation 2, passing through the point 5 comma 4, right? This 5 comma 4 substituting xy. Then we will get a k value. Then we will get k value. K is equal to minus 85. Then k value substituting equation 1. Then problem is over. Understood, Mona Lisa? That is one way, one method. This is one method. One more method is direct equation of the circle center find, then CP distance, CP is equal to radius find, then final equation. Substituting final equation. X
One
minus
is
h.
the other one is by finding the value of k.
Find the value of k. This is direct method. Direct method means concept. Concept, no? Concept, I will explain, no? Concept.
So, and k constant will get by
k is equal to minus 85. This constant substituting equation 2. That is the final answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Only 2-3 steps enough.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, and in case of in the question in which it's parallel, in the question and its mirror image, you just found the distance and radius of one side and then took the negative of it on the negative.
Mirror problem. Right? Mirror of the circle is given and mirror axis is equal to 0. Then
yes,
negative. Y axis is 4 comma 8.
Yes, I got it, sir.
4 comma 8. Negative is minus 4 comma minus 8.
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 comma 8. Sorry, minus 4 comma 8. Negative. Positive 4 comma 8.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Understood? Everything is fine?
Yes, quite fine. I'll practice.
Yes, tell.
I'll practice and then ask.
Practice. So many problems is there. Okay. Next class, I will explain remaining problems.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.